afternoon, Miss Amundson's class. Today we are finishing 6.1 line plots. Can you read, interpret, and analyze line plots?
Yes.
Do you guys know what a number line is?
Yes.
So a number line is like this tool that we know, right?
Yes.
Line plot is a new thing that we started talking about. A line plot is actually made of what?
A number line.
It's made of a number line. And it's a number line that shows the frequency or how much or how many times something happens. And then this middle word here, a frequency table, it's just a way to organize some data. Frequency tables help us organize data, okay? Okay. What is this thing called? This is a line plot. And the line plot, again, is a number line. See our number line right here? But the number line has labels. It has like categories. So we have a category here, 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 here. What are those numbers next to the tick marks representing? What's that? Miles of what? What do you mean miles? Distance to school of Forest Hill students in miles, right? So this represents right here how many miles? 3. So how many kids, looks like we have this 1x here, how many kids walk 3 miles? Or come 3 miles, it doesn't necessarily have to be a walk. How many kids are 4 miles from Forest Hills? 2, because we have how many x's? Are we making sense? Okay. Sometimes you don't even have a line plot, you got to make it yourself, right? But in order to do that, we need this thing called a... Say again? So the frequency table tells us how much or how many, right? So we're talking about throwing a ball. How many kids can throw a ball less than 10 yards?
3.
How about how many kids between 20 and 29?
0.
0. So what we were doing, guys, is we were actually transferring this frequency table down to a, what's this thing called again? Line plot. How many kids can throw the ball more than 29 yards?
2.
Does this say more than 29?
Yes.
Yes. And how many kids does it show, even though I had that wrong? How many kids does it show?
2.
Sarah, you up here there, girl? You're looking at the screen here? 2 kids can throw the ball greater than 29 yards, right? And that matches this. How many kids can throw the ball between 10 and 19 yards? 5. And here's my 10 to 19 yards because we have our label down here, right? Let's count. 1.
2, 3, 4, 5.
Does this make sense?
Yes.
We good?